So is this an accidental career, you becoming a literary celeb?
No, my other career was the accidental career, is the truth. I'd always been a writer. I'd always been a journalist in my teens. You know, I'd written for music magazines. I'd written sitcoms and animations and things like that. And then I sort of weirdly became a producer. And then I really accidentally became a television presenter, which wasn't part of my life's plan at all. And it was only in my late 40s I thought, writing is the thing that you do. Come on, let's do this properly. So this was always the career, and everything else is the weird cul-de-sac.
I'm always interested in the formation of a writer. From the age of 9, your mother raised you as a single parent.
Yeah.
And I don't know how much influence she has had on you.
I think the thing she understood most of all is that myself and my brother, I loved watching TV and my brother liked playing his bass guitar, and we didn't need to do anything else. We didn't need to be sort of improved. We didn't need to really do our homework. We didn't, so she understood to let us have our obsessions.
Well, obviously your mother helped to improve you somewhat because you went to Cambridge.
I had an interview up there, and you go up there and it was like Harry Potter world. It was like, it's like nothing I'd ever seen before. And, I remember going up there, I didn't have a suit, because I just didn't have a suit, and everyone was wearing suits for the interviews. I've always been very good at carrying a chip on my shoulder. Okay, so that's one of my special skills. And I did think when I go there, I thought at least I'll kind of see the iniquity of the place and the unfairness of it. I never ever once questioned the fact that I should be there. I definitely felt lesser than those people because they lived their lives in a way that I didn't quite understand. And like their parents would come out and take them out for lunch at a restaurant. I'd be like, so I'm so sorry. We went to like a carvery once a year on my nan's birthday, but you go out to your parents have come out and taken you to a restaurant. I definitely felt inferior, but at the same time, I learned a huge amount about the world, how it fits together.
Everything evolved from there, writing for television, then producing for television, ultimately leaping over the footlights and being on television.
I love coming up with TV shows because I used to love watching them, and I love coming up with formats. I'd done that for years and years and years. And so we had this idea, Pointless, and had 2 hosts, and so I always make sure that you get producers playing the presenters when you pitch it to a channel. 2 of us producers went in and did it. I played the Richard Osman role. The BBC liked the show, wanted to buy it. They had the idea of Alexander Armstrong doing his role, and they said, we need someone like Richard to do the Richard role. And some bright spark at the BBC said, well, why don't we ask Richard? Because he's very much like Richard. And I thought, well, I mean, it's only going to be one series because most things fail. Story to tell the grandchildren. Why not? Something I've never done before. And I said, yeah, okay, I'll do it. And 2,000 shows later, I was still there.